Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a pop-up image effect on your videos in the CapCut mobile. So here, first you can just add your video into CapCut like this and duplicate it. Click on it and find duplicate, this one, and make one of the video as overlay. So both of the video must align like this, and after that just remove the background of the overlay. Find the remove BG, click on the auto removal, wait until the background is fully removed. After you remove the background of the video, go back. Now click on add overlay again and add the image that you want to have the pop-up effect. So here I'm going to add this image right here. Okay, you can adjust the size to your liking, and here adjust the length so it fits with the video like this. And after that, click on the image overlay and find a layer, change it into 1. So swipe it like this, and here what you need to do is just add a keyframe at the start. So for the first here I'm going to put a keyframe at the start, and here I'm putting the image behind the person. After that, you can move forward, then just move the image to your liking like this, and that will do. That will have the pop-up effect, so the image will be moved like this. And lastly, you can add a video effect. Here find the nightclub category and then add the play a pendulum effect. Okay, scroll down. What is it? Okay, this one, play pendulum. You can adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to just go at it as it is. Adjust it for the whole video. Click on object and apply it to the image overlay. Click on the check icon, and this is the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.